Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix microphone not working in Nvidia app. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So, if you're having problems with your Nvidia app here and your microphone is not working, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So, first things first is you want to go ahead and obviously go to your desktop here. And at the bottom right of your screen, you have your sound here. You want to right click on it and you want to go to sound settings. Now, under sound settings, you want to scroll down until you see the option here that says more sound settings. Click on it. And you want to go to recording and you want to look for the microphone that you're currently using right now. So, in this case, as you can see, I'm using this microphone here. So, you want to right click on it and you want to make sure that you set this as your default, this case, microphone. Now, in this case, I already set this to my default. And in this case, another thing is you want to look for other microphones that you may be using here. You want to right click on it and just disable this as your microphone here. So just to make sure that you're only using one microphone at a time here. But once you've done that, what we need to do next is we want to just test it out and see if that actually solves any of your issue. Now, also in your input here, just make sure it has enough volume into it. So if it has like really low here, like I have like around 4950, so you have this really low, you won't hear anything, especially if you have this muted. So just check this one as well. So yeah, if none of this actually work, well, there might be some bugs or in this case some glitches on the Nvidia app itself. So what I would recommend you to try doing here is to just uninstall Nvidia app and reinstall it again on your PC. So to uninstall it, just click on the search bar here. Just type in uninstall and what is that? Uninstall. Yeah, so you should see add or remove programs here. Go ahead and open it up. And you just need to click on search apps here. Just type in Nvidia. And you should see Nvidia app here. Wanna click on it, click on the three-dot option on it, and just click on install. Let it uninstall. And once you've done that, just reinstall it again and see if that helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.